How you doing? On the menu today we've got beef, broccoli, Chinese style, some massive flavors going on in there. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at what we've got here then. So beef. Now what I've done with my beef is I've cut it really nice and thin. Broccoli, just trim that up and got it ready. Some carrots cut really nice and small. Onion, one onion there, some bell peppers, and then tablespoon of garlic, tablespoon of ginger. I've got a little bit of fish sauce, I've got soy sauce, and I've got oyster sauce. By the way, all the ingredients and the amounts are going to be in the text below. We're going to start this off with a touch of oil. Okay, so I've got my wok here and I've got a little bit of oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil. Now what we're going to do is start off by dropping in our beef. Nice strips, nice and thin. And we're going to fry this for about 4 to 5 minutes. Keep it moving. Okay, so we're halfway through. I just wanted to show you this. Got loads and loads of moisture out of this, so I want to burn that off and get a little bit of colour on it. Just a little bit. Okay, so that moisture evaporated out. Now this beef is pretty tough. So the next process we're going to do is soften it by adding some water. If you've used a really nice prime steak or something, you can skip this part, but for me I need to get this super tender, so I'm just going to add some water. You can use stock if you want, but I'm just going to go with water. I'm going to add a little bit of our ginger and a little bit of our garlic just to give it a bit of flavour in there. Now you need to boil this up. Once it boils, let it steam out. This process is probably going to take another 5 minutes, but it's really going to help the beef soften. Okay, so that water has evaporated out. And like I say, if you've got a really beautiful piece of beef, you don't need to do that. But if you haven't, like me, please do it. It makes a world of difference. So, next up, we can get in our onion. Our ginger and our garlic. High heat again all the way, guys. We're going to go for about 2 to 3 minutes. Excellent stuff. Next up, I'm going to add in those carrots. I mean, these are optional really, the carrots and the peppers, but I love them in there. In goes our broccoli. And let's just go for about another 3 minutes, moving pretty much all the time now. Good stuff. Let's drop in those bell peppers. Give them a little mix in. Nice bit of colour and some vitamins. Okay, now we're going to add some water again. Not a crazy amount, as you can see. We're now going to add in that fish sauce. We're going to add in that soy. I'm using a light soy. You could be using dark if you want. We're going to put some black pepper in there. We're not putting any salt in because the fish sauce and the oyster sauce, very salty indeed, no need to put extra salt. And then there we go with that oyster sauce. Keep it on this high heat, about another 3 minutes, we're pretty much done. Okay, and off goes the heat. That is beautiful. Let's finish this off with some green onions. Spring onions or scallions, whatever you call them. Nice little sprinkle of some sesame seeds. Give that a stir. Ready to serve. White rice with this is lovely. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon.